Angelic maid, you stare straight in the eyes with your velvet honey look. You didn't see the ugliness yet. You smell wonder like white roses. Proudly when you're throwing the tentacles on your shoulders. As tenderly you touch me, as you kiss my tired hands, and I desire to offer you the bright stars in the skies. You may walk together with other siblings in the bloody neighborhoods of the wind. Bittersweet tears will you pour on the love's way. I won't be there, my sweetheart, to hold your hand, to guide you. How it hurt me before, to you to testify. I'm not allowed to help you. In there, just you go alone. And weak, you never return.